Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIL Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu, and here you should see the watch face option. Once you see it, tap on it. Oh, my bad, not the clocks, the watch face. And once you tap on the watch face option, it will open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.